Okay, so today we're going to do an optical illusion drawing. What I'd like you to do is on your piece of A4 paper, white paper with a grey lead pencil, is just do through the middle, we're going to do a horizontal line. It's called a horizontal line because it's straight across like the horizon, different to a vertical. So we're doing a horizon line across here. So we want to do just a light wavy line, up and down, and then we're going to put 7 dots on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll squeeze a little one in the end here, 7. Then we're going to go from dot to dot on one side of the line first. So we're going to start at this end point and we're going to draw a heel over and touch the dot, over and touch the dot. We're going to do that all the way to the end. Then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to go all the way into the dot. That's the most important part of this activity, into the dot. Touch right in. Then we're going to pick on just a couple of hills. So start here. I'm going to start on this one and go over. And I'm always coming back to that dot as best I can, even if I have to squeeze that line in a little bit. I'll go over to this one. And I'll do every second one like that. I squeeze the dot in, squeeze the line. And back to the first one here. If it's off the side of your page, just do your best. Then we're going to start to fill in the other little ones. So I'll do 3 on each of these. Squeeze the line in. Oh, here's a bit of a miss. Go back to those original big ones. Put a couple on each of them again. Till you get to the end of your page. Then we're going to fill in these little ones in between. So we'll squeeze these little ones in here. And a couple on this one. And go back to the big one. On this side. Okay, we're going to flip our page and do exactly the same as what we did first time around. So we're going onto those dots. So heels to those same dots that we did. And then we're going to follow the same system. So pick on a few, take all the dots all the way in. Okay, I'm going to fast forward a bit. So to improve our optical illusion, we're going to use colour gradation. So I want you to pick a couple of colours, and we talked about pressure once before. So you want soft, medium or hard pressure, and we want to use hard pressure in the corners, medium towards the middle and really soft in the middle. So the example is push really hard in the corners, then medium, and as you get towards the middle of your heel, nice and soft. Blend them as best you can. Change your colour, so you can do a 2-pattern colour if you want to. So to improve our optical illusion, we're going to use colour gradation. So I want you to pick a couple of colours, and we talked about pressure once before, so you want soft, medium or hard pressure, and we want to use hard pressure in the corners, medium towards the middle and really soft in the middle. So the example is push really hard in the corners, then medium, and as you get towards the middle of your hill, nice and soft. Blend them as best you can. Change your colour, so you can do a 2-pattern colour if you want to. So again, hard in the corner, medium towards the top of the hill, blending it nicely, and then nice and soft through the middle. This gives it a feeling as though there is light in this middle section, and it helps with the optical illusion. One of the other things that you can do instead is to grab some highlighters or some textures. Pick the 2 colours you want to use, purple and green, and then highlight as a pattern. Okay, I'm going to finish this one off and show you the end product.